So we're continuing on to do our waterfall hunting. The very first one we're coming to is just after we left the temple below, and we just got off the main road, so we're about 2.5 kilometers coming down this beautiful road to get to the actual waterfall below. So yeah, it's the roughest road we've been on. This is the proper way to see Bali, without a doubt. So the entrance into the waterfall is 50,000 per person, which is great value. So that's 100,000, about €7, which is nothing really in the scheme of things. But when you come down to the Git Git waterfalls, make sure you support the locals and you get a guide coming down. It's really reasonable, and it goes towards helping the community here as well. So Yoman is our guide that's taking us down today, and we're going to go down and see one of the most magical waterfalls in the north of Bali called Git Git. The guides here as well, if you do want to do some trekking. We're just going to one waterfall right now, so the guides actually will take you to 3 different waterfalls that are in the area, and it's definitely worth it to go see that. We can't do that today because we got to get back to Ubud, but definitely go see as many waterfalls with the guides when you're here as you can. So Paula's biggest fear, and she is facing her fears, is our guide just showed us a big, huge spider that's here, and Paula is facing her fears. She's close to him. He's told us that it's not poisonous, but he's a big guy. So here we have the Git Git waterfall. It's 43 meters high. And we're right at the base of it here, different to the first one that we've been in. Amazing. This one is 43 meters high, and you can go in and swim. I can actually feel the whoosh of it and the spray from here. It is incredible to look up at. Now I don't know if you can hear me, but basically the sound and to feel the way this is just powering down is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. I'm going to try and get in there and get you as close as possible.